I've been using AI for research for a long, long time, and I really thought I had seen it all. But then Google dropped this update to NotebookLM, and it just completely blew my mind. It totally changed what I thought was possible. Seriously, if you work with information in any way, you have got to see this.
This quote right here, it just nails it. Let that sink in for a second. We're not talking about a couple of new features or some, bells and whistles. We are talking about a complete and total transformation. The tool you thought you knew, it's gone. It's been replaced by something that's on a whole other level. I want you to really, really think about this for a moment. What if you could have a conversation with your entire library? What if you could just chat with all your research papers, all your notes, all your books, all at the same time like they were one single brilliant mind that remembers every single detail? Well, guess what? That's not science fiction anymore. That is exactly what this update delivers.
So, to really get this, we've got to stop thinking about NotebookLM as just an app. It's way more than that now. You have to think of it as an operating system, an OS for your research. Let's say you're a student writing a huge paper. Instead of spending days, maybe weeks, digging through dozens of articles, you can now just upload them all and ask your new OS to pull out the key arguments, find the counterpoints, and even draft a solid outline for you. It's a completely new way of working.
So here's how it all went down. It was late December, right? Everybody's winding down for the holidays. But while we were all distracted, Google quietly pushed out an update that is, and I'm not exaggerating, going to completely redefine knowledge work. There's no big announcement, no fanfare, just a silent, massive leap forward.
So what's making all this possible? What's under the hood? Well, it's Gemini 3, which is Google's most sophisticated reasoning model yet. It's this incredibly powerful AI that's been trained on a truly mind-boggling amount of text and code, which lets it understand nuance and context in a way that older models just couldn't.
And listen, these aren't just marketing numbers. That 50% jump in reasoning means it can connect dots and find insights that you might totally miss. But for me, the most important thing on this list is that last one. It is so much more accurate at sticking to your source documents. And for any kind of serious research, that is absolutely crucial.
Okay, this number is the key that unlocks almost everything else. 1 million tokens. That is the new context window. Now, to put that into perspective, you could upload the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy and then ask NotebookLM to write a brand new chapter, and it would have the whole saga in its working memory to pull from. It's insane.
This is just a huge deal, because it solves one of the biggest frustrations with older AIs, right? They forget what you were talking about 5 minutes ago. With this much bigger context window and memory, you can have these long, complex, detailed conversations with your documents, and the AI stays right there with you, step for step. No more AI amnesia. So all this new technical muscle, it does something really important. It fundamentally changes your role. It's not just about, consuming or summarizing information anymore. With this new NotebookLM, you are empowered to become a creator, to build new knowledge, to generate brand new insights, and to produce original work based on your sources.
And this right here is one of your main tools for creation. The character limit for custom instructions has just exploded. So let's make this real. Imagine you're a lawyer. You can now build an AI persona that acts as your own specialist legal analyst. You can tell it the exact tone, format, and citation style you need, and even feed it key legal precedents to use. You're not just using a tool anymore. You are building your own custom expert assistant.
All right, now if that wasn't enough, we are about to step into the future. Deep research agents. Forget just working with documents you've already found. This is like having a whole team of tireless AI researchers that can go out onto the internet, do all the heavy lifting for you, and come back with exactly what you need.
And the process is just beautifully simple. You give your agent a research question. It then thinks up a plan. It scours the web for high-quality sources. It reads and analyzes everything it finds, and then it writes up its findings in a structured report, complete with citations, and adds everything it found right into your notebook. It's your personal research assistant that literally never sleeps.
The impact here is just massive. For students, this is an absolute game changer for writing a thesis. For journalists, it's an incredible tool for investigating a story and checking facts from all kinds of different angles. Analysts can put together market research in a tiny fraction of the time. And for creators like me, well, it's a way to go deeper on topics, faster than I ever could before.
This is the part where it all comes together. And honestly, for me, this is the most exciting piece of the puzzle.
All that research, all those incredible insights, they don't have to just sit there as text on a page anymore. NotebookLM has become a full-on creation studio.
So imagine this. You take a super dense 100-page report and, with a few clicks, you turn it into a clean, beautiful infographic that you can share online. Or maybe you turn a bunch of interview transcripts into a polished 10-minute audio overview that sounds like a professional podcast. You can even generate data tables and then export them directly into Google Sheets. It turns raw information into finished, polished products.
And all of this power isn't chained to your desk anymore. The other day I was on the train and I had an idea for a new explainer. I just pulled up my phone, opened up NotebookLM, and started throwing articles at it. By the time I got to my stop, the AI had already generated a full outline for me. I mean, that's the kind of spontaneous creativity this thing unlocks.
What all these features really add up to is a commitment to making your knowledge totally accessible and collaborative. You can work on your projects from literally anywhere, you can scan physical documents right into a notebook using your phone's camera, and you can easily share your research with colleagues or, the entire world.
Okay, this is one of my favorite new features, hands down. It is like having your own personal tutor in your pocket. The AI generates a 30-minute lecture based on your sources, but here's the magic trick. You can interrupt it at any time to ask a question or tell it to go off on a tangent, and it will actually adapt the rest of the lecture on the fly. It's incredible. Okay, let's just step back for a second. When you put all of these updates together, it's more than just a simple evolution of a tool. It really forces us to ask a totally new question. What does this new reality mean for the future of research, of learning, and maybe even of expertise itself? Now, the free version is incredibly powerful, don't get me wrong, but there are some limits. For serious researchers and professionals, the premium tier, well, it's pretty much a no-brainer. You get just a massive increase in capacity and how much you can generate. It's really the difference between a powerful tool for a hobbyist and a professional-grade system that gives you a genuine competitive edge. I mean, this slide really says it all, doesn't it? NotebookLM is not a simple tool for taking notes and making summaries anymore. It's like a Swiss Army knife for the modern knowledge worker. It's a research engine, a creation studio, and a personal knowledge system all rolled into one amazing package. So, the bottom line is this: the future is here. It's right now. While the world was watching other things, Google went and built one of the most cohesive and powerful AI workspaces that exists today. And honestly, if you're not getting on board, you really do risk being left behind. I'm already using it to brainstorm these explainers, to digest really complex reports, and even to help write my scripts. It's changing my entire workflow. But I'm genuinely curious. Now that you've seen all this new power, how would you use this new research operating system? What would you do with it? Let me know. I'll see you next time.